Hello, wonderful parents. Welcome back to our channel. Preparing for the arrival of your newborn can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming. One of the essential tasks is packing your hospital bag. Having everything you need ready to go will help you feel more relaxed and prepared for your baby's birth. Let's dive into the must-have items for your hospital bag, focusing on some key essentials like a breast pump and accessories, formula, water bottles, and ice packs. First up, let's talk about the breast pump and accessories. If you plan to breastfeed, having a breast pump can be incredibly useful, especially if you encounter any initial challenges, or if you need to express milk for any reason. When choosing a breast pump, you might consider whether you want a manual or electric one. Manual pumps are often more portable and less expensive, while electric pumps can save you time and effort, especially if you plan to pump regularly. Along with the breast pump, don't forget to pack some essential accessories. You'll need storage bags or bottles for the expressed milk, a cooler bag if you need to transport the milk, and possibly a hands-free pumping bra to make the process more comfortable and convenient. Additionally, bring some nipple cream to soothe any discomfort that might arise from breastfeeding or pumping, and some nursing pads to keep your clothes dry between feeds. Next on the list is formula. Even if you plan to breastfeed, it's a good idea to have some formula on hand just in case. Sometimes breastfeeding doesn't go as smoothly as planned, and having formula can ensure that your baby is fed without any stress or delay. When selecting formula, consider an iron-fortified option, as iron is crucial for your baby's development. Talk to your pediatrician about the best formula choices for your baby's needs, whether it's cow's milk-based, soy-based, or a hypoallergenic option. Now, let's not forget about you. Staying hydrated is incredibly important, especially if you're breastfeeding. Pack a few water bottles in your hospital bag to ensure you have easy access to water whenever you need it. You might also want to bring a reusable water bottle that you can refill as needed. Keeping hydrated will help with milk production and keep you feeling your best during this exciting but tiring time. Ice packs might not be the first thing you think of when packing your hospital bag, but they can be surprisingly handy. If you're using a breast pump, ice packs are essential for keeping expressed milk cool until you can store it properly. Beyond that, ice packs can provide soothing relief if you experience any swelling or discomfort after giving birth. They're versatile little helpers that can make your hospital stay more comfortable. In addition to these key items, there are a few more essentials you'll want to have in your hospital bag. Comfortable clothing is a must. Think loose, soft, and easy-to-wear items like pajamas, a robe, and slippers. You'll also want some nursing bras and tops that make breastfeeding easier. Don't forget your toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and any other personal care items you use daily. Lip balm and moisturizer can be particularly nice to have, as hospital air can be quite drying. For your baby, pack a few onesies, socks, and a hat to keep them cozy. A soft blanket is also a good idea, both for warmth and for those precious first photos. Diapers and wipes are essential, and while the hospital will provide some, having a few extras can't hurt. Don't forget a car seat. You'll need it to bring your baby home safely. Bringing along some entertainment can also be beneficial. Labor can be a long process, and having something to read, watch, or listen to can help pass the time. A phone charger is crucial, not just for staying connected with loved ones, but also for capturing those first precious moments with your baby. Snacks are another important consideration. Hospital food might not always hit the spot, and having some of your favorite snacks on hand can be comforting. Choose a mix of healthy options like nuts and fruit, as well as a few indulgent treats to keep your spirits up. Lastly, don't forget any important documents. This includes your ID, insurance information, and any paperwork the hospital has requested. It's also a good idea to have a list of phone numbers for family and friends you'll want to notify when your baby arrives. Packing your hospital bag with these essentials will help ensure that you and your baby have everything you need for a smooth and comfortable start. The key is to think ahead and prepare for various scenarios, making sure you're as comfortable and stress-free as possible during this exciting time. So, take a deep breath, pack your bag, and get ready for the incredible journey ahead. You've got this, and soon you'll be holding your beautiful newborn in your arms, ready to start your new adventure together. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. See you next time. Thanks for joining us today.